Welcome to Managing Dementia During Storms, Hurricanes, and Natural Disasters. I'm Debbie Callender, and this is Dementia Caribbean. This short clip should give a practical guide for you as a caregiver and for community workers supporting people living with dementia when a natural disaster occurs in the Caribbean region. In the Caribbean, hurricanes, heavy rains, and therefore power outages are parts of life. But for someone living with dementia, these changes can be frightening and confusing. Planning ahead helps to reduce anxiety, prevent wandering, and ensures quick action if you need to move to safety. When a hurricane or storm hits, caregivers of people living with dementia face a double challenge: keeping safe and keeping calm. Today, we'll talk about how to plan ahead and protect both your loved ones and your peace of mind when disaster strikes. Before the storm, plan and prepare. Create a calm plan. Write down your emergency contacts, the nearest shelter, and a clear plan for what to do if you must evacuate. Then, build a care bag. Include ID cards, recent photos, medications, familiar snacks, a change of clothes, and comforting items like a soft scarf or a small pillow. Then, prepare copies. Keep copies of your medical information, like the dementia diagnosis, allergies they may have, and their current prescriptions, sealed in a plastic bag. Then, talk it through. Use simple and reassuring language to speak to the person living with dementia. For example, there might be loud rain and wind soon, but I'm here with you. We're safe and we're ready. Then, look at your power preparation. Charge your phones. Make sure that flashlights have batteries and keep extra batteries. A small battery fan can also help during power cuts. Part 3. During the storm, stay calm and safe. Stay in one safe room. Keep the lights low and minimize noise. The less confusion, the better. Use routines. Offer a familiar snack, play gentle music, or engage them in a soft activity like folding towels. 3. Avoid triggering fear. If they become restless or anxious, use calm touch and slow breathing cues. Try saying, "Let's sit together and listen. This sound will pass soon." If evacuation is needed, move early, before panic and before worsening weather. Use name tags or bracelets with contact information for both you and your loved one in case you get separated. After the storm, re-establish routines. Return to regular meals, familiar music, and daily structure as soon as possible. Check for distress in your person living with dementia. Watch for increased confusion, wandering, or agitation, which is common after stressful events. Use calming sensory inputs. Aromatherapy, gentle touch, or things like prayer time can help ground both the caregiver and the person with dementia. And ask for help. Contact local agencies, churches, or the Senior Citizens Council for support with food, medication, or cleanup if you need it. Caring for someone with dementia during a disaster isn't easy, but with the right preparation, you can protect both safety and dignity. Download our Dementia Emergency Checklist and our Calm Care Plan inside the Dementia Caribbean School community. The links are in the descriptions below or in the bios above this post. Join us today and let's make dementia care stronger, safer, and more Caribbean. Like, share, and subscribe. If possible, share this to a caregiver who might need it at this time. Thanks for listening and see you in the next clip.